Facebook knew of Cambridge Analytica data misuse earlier than reported court filing. Facebook knew about Cambridge Analytica's improper data gathering practices months before in December 2015, according to a by the Attorney General for Washington, D.C. The new information could suggest that Facebook has consistently misled 6 British lawmakers about what it knew and when about Cambridge Analytica. Damian Collins, the chair of the House of Commons Digital Culture, Media and Sport Select Committee (DCMS), in response to the filing. In a statement, a company spokesperson said Facebook absolutely did not mislead anyone about this timeline. But the filing raises new questions about when Facebook first learned about the harvesting of tens of millions of users' personal data for the now-defunct political consultancy Cambridge Analytica. This timeline has long been complicated by the different corporate entities involved in the data misuse. The data extraction, though highly controversial, was not against Facebook's policies, which at the time allowed GSR to take information not only from users who consented but from all their friends. It was the transfer. After the Cambridge Analytica revelations became an international scandal, Mark Zuckerberg that Facebook learned from journalists at The Guardian that Kogan had shared data from his app with Cambridge Analytica in 2015. Detailing this the Attorney General for over its failure to protect user data from Cambridge Analytica in late 2018. Facebook has the document is an email exchange between Facebook employees discussing how Cambridge Analytica and others violated Facebook's policies, according to a Monday court filing by the DC Attorney General. Those emails include candid employee assessments that multiple third-party applications accessed and sold consumer data in violation of Facebook's policies during the 2016 United States presidential election, according to the filing. It also indicates the filing further asserts that as early as September 2015, a DC-based Facebook employee warned the company that Cambridge Analytica was doing something that is currently redacted and received responses also redacted relating to Cambridge Analytica's data scraping practices. That a Facebook employee was aware of possibly improper activity by Cambridge Analytica months prior to The Guardian's December 2015 report appears to be new information. Asked when Facebook employees first learned that Cambridge Analytica was violating its policies through data scraping, a Facebook spokesperson responded Facebook was not aware of the transfer of data from Kogan/GSR to Cambridge Analytica until December 2015. When Facebook learned, the spokesperson did not immediately respond to a follow-up query asking when Facebook first learned that Kogan/GSR was engaging in extensive data scraping. Facebook will face off with the District of Columbia in court on Friday, where a judge will hear arguments over the company's motion to dismiss the lawsuit. The judge may also
raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.